Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, so let's get started. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is an unboxing of my MAC Cosmetics. So let's get started. So I just got my makeup in the mail today. It came UPS. So I'll open the box. I paid $113.42. I bought two MAC eyeliners. They're the black. I like this. It stays on really good. It doesn't smudge, smear, nothing. So I have two of the eyeliners. This is a liner gel for your eyebrows. I have the brush already with my makeup. And it's actually 3 grams. It's a nice cream. I like this. These were the free samples. It is a like mascara. Wow, that's a nice long brush. So they're both the same. This one's called Upward Lash, and this one is called In Extreme Dimension Lash. So these two items were the free samples when you purchased your MAC product. And I bought two. It's a lip liner and lipstick. This one is burgundy. This one is like a pink, but it says Retro Matte Lipstick. This is also a matte lipstick as well. So I guess you got the pencil on one side. The lipstick on the other. Well, that's a pretty color. And I like this pink color too. The nice pencil. Oh, you can see the color right there. They really don't smudge either. Pretty color. Another nice lipstick. What a nice color that is. Everything you see right here, it's 5 products, and I spent $113.42. And for spending $113, these are the 2 samples that I picked out. So both these products, I like both colors. I think they're really pretty. And that was it. So I'll put them back in the box. And that's how it came, you know, with this paper on top. So they do pack it very well. I love these cosmetics from MAC. The lipstick, honest to God, it stays on all day and it doesn't smudge, wear off, nothing. And I like these eyeliners. That's why I buy two. It stays on you regardless if you're perspiring for the day or at the gym or whatever you're doing. The eyeliner actually stays on and it doesn't smudge or smear. And this liner for your eyebrows, perfect. Same thing. That doesn't smear, run, nothing. You can go to the gym with this on your eyebrows. You can be working outside and it doesn't smear, nothing. Their products are really, really good. I really enjoy wearing their MAC products. And I like when they give you these samples because this way here you get to try it to see if you actually like this type of mascara. So I'll be giving these a try. I'll see this brush, how this one comes, because that one says Upward Lash. Oh yeah, you can see the difference. I'll open the other one. Because this one says in Extreme Dimension Lash. And like I showed you in the beginning of the video, you can see how much longer it is. So there's a difference. So I'll try them both out and see which mascara I like, and I'll probably end up buying it the next time. So if you really want some good makeup and you want it to last, I know it's a little expensive, but it's really worth it. I recommend buying the MAC product. I'll leave the link below in the description box, and then you can just click on that and then choose what color lipstick you want or foundation, whatever you feel like you want to buy. But I really like their makeup, really, really good. No complaints. So now I'll go put this in my room. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me do an unboxing of my MAC cosmetics. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.